Hi, welcome to Mobile World Congress 2017. I'm here in the Vodafone booth with Jeff Francois. Jeff, why don't we start off with you describing what your focus is for this show and what you're trying to get across to your customers.
We want to show how an emerging technology like SDN for transport can help Vodafone to address the new enterprise market needs on a real network. We will set up the services through a customer portal. There are two use cases that we show in this demo. One use case is bandwidth calendaring. So it is focusing to enterprise, small, medium enterprise customers that cannot afford high permanent bandwidth. So they would like just to address some sporadic but predictable peaks of bandwidth. And then we have another use case with it more addressing big enterprise customers, where we can dedicate a slice of the Vodafone international network to a big enterprise customer between, for example, different data centers. And the enterprise customer, through the customer portal, is able to manage its links, its services, and can create, delete, modify services in almost in real time, thanks to the SDN for transport technology. We believe that it is a very big change for networking as compared as it is today. It can help a lot, give more agility to the enterprise customers to manage their needs, and it helps also Vodafone as an operator, because you can also assign and manage, optimize your resources in a more efficient way.
So one of the, I think the key interesting things here that you guys are doing is that you're actually using real nodes here in your booth. Could you talk about that a little bit?
We are in the Mobile World Congress here, and we have the international network, the packet optical international network of Vodafone. We have 3 real nodes in Ratingen, Amsterdam, and Paris, and with real 100 gig connectivity. And what we are doing, for example, in the OVPN is that we are providing 10 gig links to the enterprise customer, and he can manage those links and create new services. And what we do is that we are using the SDN controller in Edgeborn, and the SDN controller will establish a path directly in the network, and we will see the video that is streaming up to the Mobile World Congress. So what I think the most important point is that this is done in less than 1 second, and the controller is in Edgeborn, and the customer portal is here via 4G, is connecting to the controller and giving the request to the real nodes of the Vodafone network.
Well, very impressive. Thank you, Jeff. So now I'm here with Huawei's Diego Cavilla. Diego, can you provide us a little more color on what Jeff just told us?
Absolutely. I mean, everyone knows that ICT transformation and network cloudification is even increasing the pressure on the network in terms of services, in terms of flexibility, in terms of programmability. And especially when it comes to enterprise customer, they won't really have something more close to application awareness and the way to program the network. As Huawei, we have developed our multi-service OTN platform together with the transport SDN controller to improve programmability and flexibility. It's worth to point out that the MES OTN, our platform, has a very huge range of different bandwidth you can provide. Spans from 2 megabit to 100 gigabit, both in packet and OTN domain. So this is very flexible. Coupled together with the TSDN controller, this can help operator and enterprises to get what they want. This is, let's say, one of the key points. When it comes to the transport SDN controller, that's really, let's say, the brain of the network. With centralized path computation element, is capable to accomplish different constraints like, time and delay, and as the use cases that Jeff was mentioning, the bandwidth calendar, you can set up the bandwidth in certain time of the day or the week, and this enable enterprise to get what they want when they want. The other use cases, it can also be seen as a kind of network license with the OVPN. So all in all, let's say, if we come back to the initial challenges, we think that SDN together with our nodes in the network provide the right level of network abstraction and programmability to achieve the optimization and the challenges that we are facing.
Okay, so flexibility, agility, the right amount of bandwidth at the right time when you need it. Thank you.
Thank you.